Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Today's session is on present continuous. Koha, tashme, tashme, foljes, gatuaj, the verb to cook. I've put for you a picture here on the right hand side of people cooking. I was just wondering if there are males or females who generally cook in your culture. So could you please in the comments write if there are more males or more females. So basically who generally cooks in your culture. So write the culture where you come from, in your country and the culture, and explain who cooks more, or who likes to cook more. All right, let's continue. Pra si shtash, shkruani një koment ose disa komente për kulturën tuaj dhe cila gjini pëlqen të gatuaj në kulturën tuaj, gjinia femrore apo gjinia maskullore. Pra kush pëlqen të gatuaj më shumë, meshkujt apo femrën. Let's continue. I am cooking, un po gatuaj. You are cooking, ti po gatuan. Like I've said before, ti, ai, ajo are the same. So you'll say ti po gatuan, ai po gatuan, ajo po gatuan. So the only difference is the pronoun. Let's continue. We are cooking, ne po gatuajm. You are cooking, you po gatuani. They are cooking, ata, ato po gatuan. Am I cooking? Question. So apo gatuaj un? Are you cooking? Apo gatuan ti? Now in Albanian we don't necessarily need to say the pronoun. So if you say apo gatuaj, basically it's understood that I'm talking about myself. So the pronoun is not necessary to be mentioned. Hence you'll see it in brackets. So basically it's not necessary. You can mention if you like to, but it's not necessary. Are you cooking? Apo gatuan ti? Is he cooking? Is she cooking? Apo gatuan ai? Apo gatuan ajo? As I said, the I is different. So you have apo gatuaj un, but when you're talking about ti, ai, ajo, are all the same. Gatuan, gatuan. So is it cooking? Apo gatuan ai, ajo? Are we cooking? Apo gatuajm ne? Are you cooking? Apo gatuani you? Are they cooking? Apo gatuajn ata, ato? As always, the answers are yes, I am, or no, I am not. So basically the pronoun, yes, pronoun, and then the verb, the helping verb. So if we ask a question with am, we answer with am. If we ask with his, we answer with is. And of course, if we ask are, we answer with are. I am not cooking. Unë nuk po gatuaj. You are not cooking. Ti nuk po gatuan. He is not cooking. Ai nuk po gatuan. She is not cooking. Ajo nuk po gatuan. It is not cooking. Ai ajo nuk po gatuan. We are not cooking. Ne nuk po gatuajm. You are not cooking. Ju nuk po gatuani. They are not cooking. Ata, ato nuk po nuk po gatuajn. So, ky ishte mësimi për sotshëm. This was today's session. Tomorrow's lesson is on a new topic. Shihemi tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Shihemi Nese. Bye bye. Take good care of yourselves and stay safe. As always, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.